How do you feel, Mehdi? How do you feel?
I feel miserable.
In 2021, I traveled to over 10 cities. We're in New York, Charlotte, North Carolina. We're in Miami Beach. We're in Austin, Dallas, Los Angeles, San Diego. I'm in London. I'm in Boston. So today I'm in Philadelphia. I met up with over 40 subscribers.
My name is Jamie.
Yeah, my name's Jordan.
I'm Chris.
My name is Moimir.
I'm Lawrence.
I'm Jack.
Today I'm with DeMarcus.
Hello, Ruben. How you doing today?
That's okay.
I'm 18 years old.
I'm 26.
I'm 25 years old. I'm 32 years old.
I'm a tattoo artist.
I'm a software engineer.
I'm a medical professional.
I work as an Amazon delivery driver, but I'm also a musician. I play guitar.
I'm a banker.
I work as a technician for the U.S. Army.
To hang out with them, meet new people, and show you that you can talk to anyone.
I'm here to explore possibilities of life.
You want some sushi?
Some sushi?
Any interest in, we're going to a live band in a little bit.
I thought you're really cute. I want to say hello.
My heart's racing right now. It's like I've never done it. Oh, let's see your watch. Let's see what it's at. 109 right now.
Yeah, you guys are awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, if I'm around here again, wanna hang out? Always?
They actually gave me a free one on accident. Do you
For
want
real?
it? Yeah, it's
What
mocha.
kind of? Actually, I would take it.
Yeah?
Appreciate that.
Sorry. Firstly, all three of you are stunning, but you captured my eye. I think you're...
I feel like a fucking baller right now.
I even stayed with one subscriber in Boston. Thank you very much, Anu.
Like there's so many people and so many adventures like so close to us when we walk in the street and stuff. And when you don't talk to people, you don't grab the adventures and you don't like maybe explore the opportunities around you.
No one meets anyone, really.
Get to meet a lot of people. Not as much.
I talk to random people all the time.
Isn't it fun?
I think it's a really good thing. You never know.
Yeah.
There's always that story in my head, like, oh, I'm not good enough. It's usually hard for me to approach people.
For some reason, I feel like I don't feel worthy enough to take up space.
So when's the last time you went on a date?
Bro, it's been probably almost 3 years.
There's some dust here.
I was always really a known person, so I didn't really have to go out my way to really speak to anybody.
I've got things going on. I'm not the most awkward of people there are in the world. Like I look at myself with, with confidence in who I am, and even I'm struggling with something like this.
Yeah, she's like, I'm really intimidated by this one. It's not gonna go well. It's not gonna go well at all.
It's okay. Well, I'll find someone else.
But deep down, I guess my question is to you, when you're gonna go home tonight, you're gonna be, you're gonna sleep, you go in your bed, turn off the lights, you're gonna think back at that moment.
Should I have asked? Yeah.
You should have, that's my question.
Fuck, yeah.
You should have asked?
Yeah, I should have.
Okay, so let's go back.
Fuck.
Dude, this is insane. This is like jumping into the coldest water of all time, dude.
Pretty much I was being a bitch, so.
I'm always waiting for a real sign,
Let's get it.
I want to get better at talking to people.
I really like the idea of just talking to whoever you want.
I want to be able to make friends with anyone I see.
I want to be better at socializing.
I have like 4 sisters, and females in my life have always told me all these guys keep catcalling me, this and that, they bother me. Why do guys talk to random people that they don't know? And they would say this, but then I'm like, I know that you can do that. It's not like there's not something inherently wrong with it.
Maybe she doesn't want to be bothered. And I don't want to be this awkward guy bothering her.
So I'm scared of just being stuck next to someone.
Hello? Hi.
Excuse me? Hi, my name's Caleb.
Sorry, I don't have time to talk right now.
Are you busy? All right.
Oh, I know you're kind of thinking someone's talking to me. What's going on?
Hey. How's it going? How are you?
That was brutal. Look at you, nothing.
It didn't hurt though at all.
I'm nervous about not having shit to say.
Alright, fuck it.
So what went wrong, Casanova?
Initially, when I was going and talking to them, I thought that if I was rejected, I'd feel bad from inside and also just like externally, of course. But actually, no.
Just doing it, regardless of the outcome, it just like makes you want to keep going.
Yeah. Even if they reject you, you won't even care.
That fear of rejection definitely overrated.
Yeah, I
Stop the
can.
beach should have made you today.
For real, once you actually do it, that thought doesn't even cross your mind.
The first few seconds after, getting rejected or being shot down, they feel kind of like soul crushing, but then after that, you feel kind of at ease with yourself that you've done something that, let's face it, most guys wouldn't even think about doing.
I really appreciate you having to come up, having the strength to come up and talk to me. I really like that a lot.
Very gutsy and ballsy. You should keep doing that.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
The boldness is very cool.
The boldness is cool? Okay. Yeah.
No one does that anymore.
I do feel like a boss after that.
You're fine.
I was inspired.
Courage.
Thank you.
I've only had a handful of guys ever come up to me.
You have the balls enough to just walk up to
kudos to you for being confident.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
I'm really liking what's going on so far. I like how I feel about myself. I like that how liberated I feel right now. Yeah, man, this is definitely baller stuff.
Baller Joshua over here. Did you just do that?
Yes. I appreciate that.
Yeah. Initially, she was a bit shocked, which is just natural. And then
It's natural. When someone sees someone as handsome as you, you have to give them a chance to adapt.
You hitting on me? Is this where it's going? The amount of times you touched
Thanks for the fake
he really
channel.
yeah he really enjoyed putting the microphone on my chest. There was a lot of tape, a bit too much.
What was interesting though, there's a guy who's watching this encounter go down, and as I got up and left, this guy he was like nice job, dude. Yeah.
I love it.
Thanks, man.
Hey, bro. Hey, at least you tried, bro.
I know. Thank you, man. Yeah.
Thanks for having some balls, dude.
It's just finding stuff to say. I feel like that's the hard part.
I saw you reading. I was reading a book too recently. So,
do you have any bread for the ducks?
So I think slowing everything down instead of getting up here and talking really fast and trying to find fills.
Treating people as if they're just like a friend.
Be genuine.
Assume the best intentions.
Hi guys.
How you doing?
How's your day going?
And hey everyone.
It felt like it didn't matter what I said.
I don't know what's the difference in FBI even.
one told me that. Es verdad. No le había
It's yeah.
So future Metallica, am I talking to over here?
Yeah. I can't see your whole face, but you have very nice eyes. And I think you have a nice jawline. I haven't.
So you can see if you want, I'm as pretty as I sound. So.
You are pretty.
See, thank you.
I like that. I'm as pretty as I sound.
Don't get me wrong, I know I have so much to learn and so much to improve and grow. But I feel like doing this and approaching people, it really feels like the world is my oyster. I have so much to explore in the world and people to meet,
The more I do it, it's it's whatever. It's I'm just saying what's up.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Right. And I, overthought it a huge amount, but it's not, you don't have to overthink it like that.
Until you do it, you don't really realize how normal it feels to get into this flow state.
I feel people are more receptive to talk than you think.
It's unreal that some of them are so pleasant and pleased to talk to me.
It surprised me how open people were.
It was pretty chill. I didn't really expect him to be that friendly.
Dude, that was awesome.
That was awesome.
Oh, I'm FaceTiming my best friend. You want to meet her?
What's up? What's up? I'm Joe. What's up, best friend?
Are you new to the city?
I'm new to the city. How do you know?
No, I'm just wondering because, I don't know, maybe you're looking for friends and
Yes.
I'm local, so I'm happy to connect.
Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
This conversation is the best thing.
Really? Well, I'm glad.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Back to uni in a week, so sorry that wouldn't.
I'm here tomorrow. It's not a week away.
Wow, I love this. That's great.
It's my friend's birthday tomorrow. She'd kill me.
Why don't you get her number and then you can sort something out?
Oh, hug.
I'll give you a hug.
Okay, I was going to shake your hand. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
See you another time.
All right, really cool meeting you.
Hey, you too.
Have a good rest of your day.
Thank you.
So if I put myself in their shoes and someone did that to me, I just liked your style. Said hello to.
You'd be thrilled.
Yeah, I'd be very happy. Definitely
Especially with the style you have. Immortalize this moment. So this is the first time that you get someone's information
without getting
being
put
at a party,
on,
just
nothing,
like
right?
raw, naked, boom.
Right, straight to the point. Feel me?
Nice.
Nah, I feel good. It feels good. I ain't gonna lie.
Don't assume how this conversation is going to go. Don't assume who they are, how this is going to interact or whatever.
I judged her. I believe I said she looks mean
Yeah, right before he was out,
right
she
before
looks
I
mean.
approached
I was like,
her.
dude,
I said she
you
looks
have no
mean,
idea.
but then
and she was really nice.
Yeah, and when I approached her, she was very nice. So that shows you can't just jump to assumptions.
This put things into perspective.
Just believe in yourself. You know, that's all you gotta do. Just believe in your humanity, believe in your ability to connect with others, because I'm sure, you know, like Ruben says all the time, like, you already know how to talk to people. It's just a matter of talking to people without these imaginary dividers that you're creating for yourself.
I realize that people are usually friendly if you just approach them, be nice, and just compliment. No one really is going to bite you.
As long as you express yourself, other people are going to be more willing to express themselves to you too. Like,
I feel pretty amazing right now. I feel confident, I feel alive, and most importantly, I feel connected. I feel connected with my surroundings. I don't feel like a separate human being who's not worthy of, like, you know, going and interacting with others, you know?
I feel like on top of the world just for saying hi to people.
I wish you all well, for real. Like, I think it's hard to, like, walk around and feel like you can't really embrace the world because you just feel like you're stuck in your head. And that's a really, really shitty feeling. So I wish everybody the strength and courage to, like, get out and talk to people, because that's how the world runs.
We get in our own way, and as a result, we overthink things that should be pretty simple.
Just put yourself out there, man. Stop living scared. Living scared ain't gonna get you nowhere.
Living in reality.
Live in the present. Be present.
It was very liberating.
There's plenty of people out there that were willing to talk to you.
Just fucking do it. Above all else, just fucking do it.
Just please don't let anyone doubt you otherwise.
Go out there and fucking do it.
Just do it, G.
Well, if you see anyone you like, just go up to them. Like, it's part of being human to like people and to have a human connection.
Don't let your fears control what you do, you know what I'm saying?
I'm actually so happy I did this, man. It's something I really needed.
Going for what you want.
I can't do it, Ruben. I can't do it.
Is this you, bro? Are you...
No, it's not
Did
me.
you exchange with your twin brother or something?
Like,
what the fuck is going on?
I'm on demon time. That's what's going on, bro.
You know what? In life, you just gotta take your chances, right?
Did you get her number?
I did. Yeah, finally.
Nah, that was nice for real. I ain't gonna lie.
I had an amazing year. Thank you everyone to make it possible. I wish you guys the best. I wish you an epic new year. And that's it for today. See you next time.